Welcome to Hitwick.
I think हमने पहले भी इसको डिस्क्राइब किया है कि इट्स ग्रेट कि दोनों ग्रेट क्रिकेटिंग नेशंस आपस में दोबारा से खेल रही हैं. इट्स अ फ्रेश न्यू जर्नी बिटवीन द टू टीम्स, और इसमें कोशिशें ऑब्वियसली गवर्नमेंट लेवल पे भी हैं और दोनों चेयरमैन जो पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट बोर्ड के और यहाँ के BCCI के हैं, सब ने मिलकर इसकी कोशिश की है. और आई थिंक कि आवाम का भी जो रिस्पॉन्स है बड़ा पॉजिटिव है इन पाकिस्तान एंड इन इंडिया एज वेल. सो फॉर द बेटरमेंट ऑफ क्रिकेट आई थिंक कि सीरीज़ पाकिस्तान और इंडिया की हमेशा होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि ये सिर्फ दो कंट्रीज़ की आवाम मिस नहीं करती. पूरी दुनिया के जो प्लेयर्स हैं, पूरी दुनिया के जो फैन फॉलोअर्स हैं जो क्रिकेट को फॉलो करते हैं, वो इस सीरीज़ को बहुत ज़्यादा मिस करते हैं. आप कोई भी जो मैच खेलते हैं इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे, वो प्रेशर से खाली नहीं होता, और आपको प्रेशर लेना पड़ता है एट दैट लेवल, क्योंकि एक्सपेक्टेशंस ऑफ पीपल ऑलवेज विद यू. I think we will try our level best to play without pressure and to express ourselves. This is, what we are looking forward for. Selected really wanted to give a chance to the boys who done a great job in the last couple of years at domestic level, and I think it's a great chance for them to come here and enjoy the experience of international level, especially in India, where the crowd is always good. And the pressure is always there, so you have to handle it. And I think selected done a great job to select this team, given a chance to the, looking at the future, they given a chance to the youngsters. And with the same time, we got, the experience in our side. Shahid Afridi is there, Malik is there, Kamran Akmal is there. So I think it's a blend of it's a mixture of the seniors and juniors, and I think everybody is ready for that. Yeah, there's no doubt in the recent past he couldn't perform well in the batting, but still we believe that he's one of the match winner in our side, and he done that many times for Pakistan. We're looking forward to get some good results from his batting, from his bowling as well. His contribution is always there, and the good sign is that in the last couple of practice matches we played in Pakistan, he come up with some very good performances with the ball and with the bat. And we wish, I personally as a captain would love to see good performances from him, because he's always a match winner for us. Well, not really. There's no doubt that Shahid Azmal is one of the great at the moment, around the world. If you see, the way he's getting results for the Pakistan is unbelievable. And, against any opposition, he is always, at his best. We wanted him to stay at the best, and with the same time, we don't want to put too much pressure on him. With the same time, the other bowlers have to contribute, we have to take wickets to give him a chance to come up with more pressure. So I think it's not only the Shahid Azmal that we are looking, we're thinking that he's the only one who can do the job for Pakistan. Rest have to play a major role to contribute for the winning of the team. I think both the teams got some brilliant talent. They got some good stars, and we all wish them the best of luck. And in our team there are some surprise packages, and you have to wait for that. There are some good players. They can do well for Pakistan, and at the same time India got some great talent. So I don't think so as far as the tag is concerned. I think the both teams got some great talent, and the cricket will be at the best. It's been in the past, but we have tried in the last year or so that we chased some runs, and we got some confidence with that, and we always wanted to do that, but it all depends on the conditions. But I personally feel that we got enough talent in bowling and in batting, so it doesn't make any difference if you are winning the game batting first or batting second, it will not take any difference. But I personally feel that we got enough talent in our side. We are really blessed with some of the great talent in bowling, and at the same time some youngsters are coming in. So I don't think so as a captain that chasing is a problem as far as Pakistan cricket team is concerned. We are looking forward for any challenge. देखिए, इसमें तो कोई डाउट नहीं है कि इंडियन बैटिंग साइड जो है वो पूरी दुनिया में सबसे बेहतरीन मानी जाती है, और उनका जो बैटिंग के अंदर जो उनके स्किल्स हैं वो पूरी दुनिया में उन्होंने अपने आप को नमाया हुआ है. बट विद द सेम टाइम आई थिंक विनिंग और लूजिंग सिर्फ बैटिंग करने से नहीं होगी, उसमें बॉलिंग का भी बड़ा अहम रोल प्ले होता है, और उसमें ہماری ایز اے ٹیم ایز اے پیکیج اگر ہم اپنی ٹیم کو دیکھیں تو ہمارے پاس بالنگ بھی آؤٹ اسٹینڈنگ ہے اور ہمارے پاس بیٹسمین بھی بہت اچھے ہیں. سو آئی تھنک اوور آل ہم نے پلان ضرور کیا ہوا ہے. دیر از نو ڈاؤٹ کہ انڈیا کی ایک اسٹرانگ بیٹنگ لائن اپ ہے, لیکن اس کو لیتے ہوئے ہمارے پاس بالرز اتنے اچھے ہیں کہ وی کین نیگوشیٹ ود دس.
Thanks for watching and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button.